your gut. 가야 되면 I'm a 조달, I'm a 조달. 주입되면 I'm a 조달. 가야 to your gut. 가야 되면 I'm a 조달, I'm a 조달.
Hey guys, Kenji here from GReddy Performance Product. We're here at SEMA 2023. Exciting news for us today is the announcement of the partnership with ARTEC and PRP. We've been working on a few projects for the SEMA show, and as you can see in our display in our project car, we got some of our partners from PRP and ARTEC on turbo kit setup and engine trigger kits and coil kits, and that's just the beginning of what we have planning for the next coming years. And we're really excited to announce all the upcoming things as we build that. Looking forward to it, and stay tuned.
It's been a dream come true, obviously watching Trust and GReddy from a young age and installing their parts on our builds when I was running a tuning shop 20 years ago, to now actually co-developing parts and platforms together. It's been really exciting, and look, it's just the tip of the iceberg. There's plenty more to come. As Kenji said, over the next couple of years, you guys are going to see some pretty big achievements from us, and we are just really passionate about all these projects and excited, to say the least. So appreciate it. Thank you guys.
Hey guys, super excited with this new partnership we're doing with Trust and GReddy. Some of you may have seen that on the featured cars with the GReddy stand, they are using ARTEC manifolds. All new GReddy turbo kits will be featuring our products, which I'm super proud of, and working with the Japanese direct, developing a whole new range of products that we are aiming to release at SEMA 2024. So guys, absolutely very happy, very pleased, and super excited of what we're going to be bringing out in the near future.
So we also have Mr. Ono, head of R&D from Trust Japan. So you can see that we are planning a global effort, and he's involved with us to plan out what we're trying to do to provide you the quality products and proven performance, high performance products. So we're very excited.
Well, I think it's pretty obvious that my favourite new part at SEMA 2023 would have to be something for a GT-R, and more specifically for an RB26. And Ben from ARTEC Performance has delivered a beauty this year, a carbon inlet manifold for 6-throttle drive-by-wire for GT-R. Man, this must have been pretty hard to keep under wraps.
Yeah, we've been developing the carbon for quite some time now. We are continuing to develop it before it's actually publicly released. We've done a lot of testing. We have a 1200 CFM flow bench in-house that we use to develop and test everything, testing the bell mouths, the shape of the runners, the length of the runners. As you know, you've done all those testing yourself. We've made some slight revisions. We've designed it to suit RB30 in any chassis. So we've got all the clearance for the clutch booster, and we will have an option for 6 extra injectors as well for the guys that do a throttle delete. And yeah, we're going to have them in our full range of carbon Kevlar, chopped carbon, 2K, 3K, 12K, satin all gloss. Yeah, really happy. We've already exceeded 300 PSI with our plenums, and we really haven't got anywhere near where we're actually aiming to go with them. So far, everything's going really well, and yeah, very happy with them.
So in the future, we kind of see a couple of versions, the injector one. Will there be a single throttle version as well? I think that's a question we're going to be asked quite a lot, right?
Yeah, we've got a very unique single throttle that will be coming out unlike anything else on the market. It's actually a long runner, and again, that one will have the option to run 6 extra injectors.
Mate, I'm pretty excited about it. Other people in the past have tried to release carbon inlets, and let's face it, you don't see them anymore, but It's obviously a lot of work to get it to be able to hold power, hold the boost, and actually work, right?
So we actually have a patent on a special technique. Basically, it can't separate from the billet.
And the best thing is, on top of all that, it actually looks amazing, right? Like there's going to be so many people around the world that want it for its looks, but you know me, I'm all about performance, but hey, I don't mind the good looks as well.
So I think everyone loves the ITBs, they love the Nismo plenums, but when you have drive-by-wire, you get to get rid of the cables, you get rid of the mounts, and suddenly that side of the engine bay looks beautiful. So We were looking at other techniques to make the manifolds, but we thought we're just going to do the best we can. So these are, like our other carbon products, they are a full dry carbon. They're made with a pressure-cooked proprietary technology in full billet molds. Yeah, no expense spared on that.
Well, that's a big one, and obviously while we're here, we've also got your exhaust manifolds behind us. Obviously, the announcement was here at SEMA that GReddy turbo kits in the future will be using ARTEC exhaust manifolds. That's huge for an Australian company, though, right? That partnership.
GReddy is now a pro dealer in America as well, so they're actually going to have the full range of ARTEC products. Carbons, intakes, manifolds, dumps, front pipes, those sorts of things. And we are collaborating on a whole new range to go with that to basically just help each other out. So there's no loss. Kenji, the R&D guys in California, they are releasing a full entire lineup of GReddy turbo kits, which will come with all the parts in the box so you can fit it up at home.
Mate, that's great news. Very proud of what our Australian team was able to do over here. And yeah, can't wait for the future, mate. Well done.
Thanks very much.